Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Papakita ko po sa inyo ngayon pag pupunta kayo dito sa Armonica. So yan, that area pag galing kayo sa city. So makikita your daily needs mini mart. And then itong malaking signboard ng Ultra Winds. Ang katabi ng Armonica is the hardware. Yan ang hardware. And the second floor guys is for rent. Pwede nyo pong i-contact ang owner kasi meron naman pong number, or pwede rin kayong mag-message sa page ng Armonica. And there, pag galing kayo sa Taguanao Park, so dyan, yan ang view. Makikita nyo naman tong signage namin, Armonica K-Egg. So we're here, G-Square. May page din po ang G-Square guys. And their cellphone number is 0917-154-1366. So that's the Armonica guys. We have spacious parking. Ang hardware po is until 5 o'clock lang yata, pero usually earlier sila mag-close. So yan, after 5, bakante na po ang parking. Yan, so spacious po ang parking namin. Ito po na flower stand, pwede po kayo ditong mag-selfie. Diba? Very nice. And here is our kitchen. Dati open ito, pero dahil ginawa na namin kitchen, closed na siya. This is our alfresco dining. So may time na malakas ang ulan, malamig sa loob, so dito po kayo pwedeng mag-dining. And welcome. Or pwede po kayong dumaan doon sa main door. So ito po guys, come in, we're open. So gawa po ito ng aking honey. So mag-sanitize po tayo before tayo papasok. So welcome to Armonica. And our essential oils diffuser. Para po pagpasok nyo, hindi lang welcoming, hindi lang relaxing, kundi very homey ang ambience. Pasensyahan nyo na po itong mga milk. I-arrange ko ito mamaya. So we have some reading materials guys. Ayan. Here about essential oils, about health and everything. This one, the magazines from Healthy Options. We also have publications. And we have Magalog from Naturetics. Naturetics Superfoods. So may brochure dito from Human Nature. Kasi reseller pa ako ng Human Nature. Kung mag-order pa kayo, just send me a message. Pwede po kayong pumunta dito. And the next day, makukuha niyo na po yung order niyo. So here is the aromatherapy samples, guys. So kung gusto niyo mag-try, for example, the pain away. Ano ang amoy? Ano ang feeling kung malagay na sa skin? So these are only the samples. Our aromatherapy din po is pre-order. So pwede kayo mag-message or pagpunta kayo dito, gusto ko ganito na blend kasi nagpe-personalize pa ako ng blend, makukuha nyo the next day. Franchisee po kami ng Santi Barley. So, ang meron namin dito on hand is a coffee like this one, the Fusion, and the Boost, and the Fit and Trim juice, and the Barley juice. So yun na pong on hand. Kung may gusto kayong products from Santi Barley, i-pre-order nyo na lang po, like the sabon, the toothpaste, things like that. And since we are using also the products from the personal collection, the Tough, ito po yung ginagamit namin sa aming toilet here at sa bahay. And the Fabcon, and we also have sabon, wala lang ditong display. And guys, we are also using Intra. So Intra is also available here. Gusto nyo pong mag-try ng product from Nu Skin, lang po tayo, mag-set ng appointment para matry nyo po sa face nyo kung gaano kaganda ang Nu Skin. Ito po siya guys, ay mga bottles lang po siya. Empty na po ito. Parang display ko na lang din. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-order, as I have mentioned, it's pre-order. You can send me a message. And of course, our original tapa flakes, napakasarap, napakadaling lutuin. Pwede siyang pang breakfast, pwede siyang ihalo sa pasta, sa bread. So available po siya dito na ganito in bottle. Or mag-order po kayo pag mag-dine in po kayo dito sa amin. Meron din po siya sa aming menu. So ito po siya. our menu. Meron po kami mga smoothie, coffee, fruit soda, and other healthy drinks. And, of course, hindi ko po makakalimutan i-mention ng aming naturally fermented fruit wine. We have Guyabano. We have 2-in-1, the Guyabano Mangustin. We have the 3-in-1, Guyabano, Mangustin, and green tea. Pero wala po kami ngayong guys, oregano lagundi. Meron po kami oregano lagundi in capsule form from Naturetics. This is our espresso machine. Madami po yung stickers kasi nilagyan po ng aking honey. Siya po ang aming espresso maker. Barista kumbaga. So guys, in our coffee, we are using this locally grown and locally roasted coffee beans. Binili namin ito sa Sunnyside and galing siya sa Malay-Balay Bukidnon Farm. So support local kami guys. Marami na kaming na-try ng mga beans. Pero ito po yung nagustuhan ng aming mga customers. So for those Suki Labs na nakatry sila ng ibang beans before and then hindi swak sa taste or hindi masarap, balik po kayo, tikman nyo tong beans namin ngayon. And what makes our coffee different? Tapos guys, syempre, we are in Food Panda. So, nasa po, nasa comment section, ang link ng aming Food Panda. And we also have loyalty card. Ayan. For our Suki Labs. So, what makes Armonica different? Kasi maraming cafe, di ba? Ano nga ba? Comment nyo na lang. Joke lang. Meron kaming Defender. Ito pong aming Defender, guys. This is from Majestic. And this is really Majestic kind of Defender. Air purifier. Defender po ang name niya. Majestic Defender Air Purifier. This is off limits po dahil nandito po sa loob ang aking hideout. So, okay guys. Enjoy the ambience of Armonica. Welcome po kayo dito. Very, very welcome. Bye-bye. Ingat po tayong lahat and have a nice day.